I'm happy to share with you the recipe to one of the popular street snacks in Ghana called poloo. Let's get started. I'll remove the flesh of the coconut from the shell, after which I would wash and grate. I will then dissolve the sugar. This process is optional. And after that, I'll also add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I bought 2 cups of hard flour. What I've seen from other creators is that what they call cup is different from what I call a cup. So my 1 cup of flour may be about 3 cups of flour to somebody elsewhere. Looking at this example, the 2 cups I bought got me 5 cups here. So do what works best for you. Afei, metwi me nutmeg aka ho, followed by non-dairy and salt. I will leave the measurement in the description area for your reference. I will then mix everything together before bringing in the margarine. Remember, I'm using salted margarine. Nti abusuani akoso nyina ne se mikoto esam konko mienu. Afei me de non-dairy kakra fry uni bia ubetimi agyan. Non-dairy nachi me de nchene na me de nutmeg egu mu. Afei me de margarine me to sachet no baako eno ma mfa ne nyina. Nti umisi ne nyina na eyese ya na afei wudi ukube nso afra. I added my desiccated coconut. I will share the recipe soon. I will then measure my coconut, the grated coconut. I had 4, so I did not add all at a go. I first added 3 and now the last one. So I will then go in with the sugar and vanilla I dissolved earlier on before adding in more water. This is the consistency I am going for. Don't make it too hard or too soft. Also, do not play with the dough. Enyesa ebeye trying senyumbi abaso. I dusted the surface, which wasn't necessary. So me the dough no aka ho. And if you do not have a rolling pin, what I'm using is a tin of tomato puree. So you can use your canned mackerel or anything, provided it is not empty. Then to shape it, I am using my toothpick container. This is to tell you that you can use anything. You can be so basic with the shapes. I would be multitasking here. What I mean is I'll be doing the frying and the cutting at the same time. You can also shape with a knife. I will then fry it at a low heat for both the inside and the outer to be fully cooked. I fried it for about 15 minutes and look at how beautiful it looks now. Inti poloo cheno se ya na ekono oto obo ema ne bin ye emu ne ehun ni nyina ebia sei ena obenya no. The first day it wasn't as crunchy as it is the second day. As I was taking the food from the shell, the tip of the knife pierced my hand and oh, it is so painful. And because of that, I couldn't use the rolling pin with my 2 hands. That's why I used the tin. And as if that wasn't enough, with 1 hand, as I was taking my oil from up the shelf, The oil on fire fell down together with the flour on the stove. And with one hand, I cleaned and continued.